Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. This is my CVS haul for this week. Everything you see here was completely free and a $5.19 moneymaker. So if you want to see how I picked up all of these items, keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first deal we're starting with is the Colgate. It's $3.99 for one. Buy two, get $4 back. So you're gonna pick up two at $3.99. That's gonna be $7.98. If you have no paper coupons, there's a 3 off of 2 digital and a 1 off of 1 digital. They're both gonna glitch and come off. You're gonna pay $3.98 and you're gonna get $4 back, making both of them free. If you have paper coupons, you can use one of these, and the $2 and the $3 digital, it's gonna come off with the paper coupon. You'll be left to pay $2.98, getting $4 back, making it free and a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I'm doing is the Colgate toothbrushes, $4.49. Buy two, get $5 back, and you can do this deal 2 times. So you can pick up two at $4.49. That's gonna be $8.98. You can use 2 of these $2 off coupons if you have any. That's gonna take $4 off. You'll be left to pay $4.98, getting $5 back, making 2 of them completely free. And if you have 4 of these coupons, you can double it and get 4 for free. Okay, so the Colgate mouthwash, it's also on that same deal. So if you have 2 coupons for the toothbrushes and 2 for the mouthwash, you can get 4 of them completely free. I'm going to pick up 4 on my other card, and I'm going to be using 4 of these coupons. Okay, so this is my Colgate deal. I have 4 of the mouthwashes at $4.49, and I have 4 of the toothpaste at $3.99. For all 8 products, it's going to be $33.92. I'm going to be using 4 of these $2 coupons for the mouthwash, and I'm going to be using 4 of these $2 coupons for the toothpaste. I also have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. After everything comes off, that's going to be $21 in coupons. I'll be left to pay $12.92. I'll get $10 back for purchasing 4 of the Colgate mouthwash, and I'll get $8 back for purchasing 4 of the toothpaste, making everything completely free and a $5.08 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Cetaphil. It's spend $20, get $5 back. I'm picking up 1 of the daily facial cleansers at $10.99 and 1 of the gentle daily scrubs at $10.79. So for both products, it's gonna be $21.78. I have 2 5 off of 2 CRTs. I have a 4 off of 1 CRT, and I'm gonna be using 2 of these $4 coupons I printed from the Cetaphil website. I believe I printed them last week. I'm not sure if they're still available. If you don't have these 2 coupons, you can use 1 of these 5 off of 2 paper coupons. But I have these, so I'm gonna use those. So that's $22 in coupons. It's gonna, 1 of the CRTs are gonna adjust down, making it completely free, and I'll get $5 back, making it a $5 moneymaker. Hopefully, and Ibotta rebate will pop up for these, so it'll be a bigger moneymaker. Okay, so the Vaseline lotion, it's $4.99. Buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 4, and you get a $5 extra care back. So I am picking up 4, $4.99. That's going to be $14.97. I have a $2.50 off of 6 Vaseline CRT, and look what I found. Jackpot, because I have no coupons. So I'm going to be using 4 of these. That's going to take $4 off. I'll be left to pay $8.47 and getting $5 back, making all 4 just $3.47. I'm contemplating on this deal because $3.50 for 4 bottles of lotion, that's not too bad, but I'm thinking about it. Okay, so Eucerin is spend $20, get $10 back. I'm picking up 1 of the advanced lotion at $12.49 and 1 of the daily protection facial at $11.29. For both products, it's $23.78. I have a 2 off of 12 CRT for the lotion. I have a 2 off of 8 CRT for the facial product and a $2 CRT. I'm going to be using 2 of these $2 coupons. That's going to take $10 off. I'll be left to pay $13.78, getting $10 back, making them just $3.78. And I don't mind paying for this because this is what my son uses because he has eczema, him and my daughter. Okay guys, so the next deal we're doing is the Covergirl. It's buy 2, get $6 back. I'm picking up 2 of the brow pencils at $6.29 at my store for both. That's going to be $12.58. I have a $2 digital and a $3 CRT. I'm going to be using this $2 coupon from coupons.com for the next one. That's going to take $7 off. I'll be left to pay $5.58, getting $6 back, making them free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so I found some Poparazzi on clearance, and I saw this on Dealing with Dolores, thank you. So she found them on clearance, and I came, my store's not tagged. So I had my manager scan a bunch of these, and these are the ones. This is $1.49. So this is the barcode for the orange one. And the green one, that's $1.49 as well. This is the barcode for that one. All the rest, they're not, so they're all $2.99. So I'm gonna be taking these right here. So I'm gonna pick up 4 at $1.49. That's gonna be $5.96. I have a 2 off of 6 CRT and a 2 off of 3 CRT. That's gonna take $4 off, and I'll get all 4 for $1.96 or 49 cents each. Okay guys, so I'm putting 2 deals together. 2 of the small fruit teas at 2 for $7, and 2 of the larger ones at $7.99. Spend $15, get $5 back. So for the small bottles, I'm gonna be using this $3 off coupon. There's also a $3 digital that's gonna glitch and come off. For the larger ones, I'm gonna be using this $4 coupon. There's also a $4 that's gonna glitch and come off. I have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT. I'm gonna pay $4.98, and I'll get $5 back, making all bottles completely free. Now, if you wanna pick up these right here, you can, or you can pick up these. They're gonna be like $1.30 something cents. I calculated that, but I rather free. Guys, I have 2 $4 CRTs for the Pantene Gold or the Head and Shoulders products. I'm gonna pick up this one right here at $7.79, and it should adjust down, making it completely free. Okay guys, so this is gonna be my Hallmark deal. I am picking up 4 of the cards at 2 for $4. That's gonna be $8. I have 2 $3 CRTs, 3 off of 4. That's going to take $6 off, leaving me to pay $2, and I'll get $3 back for purchasing 4, making all 4 completely free and a $1 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I'm doing is you buy Kotex. It's buy 1, get 1 50% off. Buy 2, get a $2 extra care back. Now, I'm going to pick up 2 of the liners at $4.79. One is going to be $4.79. The second one, it's going to be $2.39. For both, it's going to be $7.18. I'm going to be using one of these 4 off of 2 coupons. I'm going to pay $3.18, and I'll get $2 back, making it $1.18. But I am a few dollars away from my fetch bonus, so I'm gonna pick this up, and I have a $5 fetch bonus that's tracking. Okay, so if you're new to couponing, you can pick up 2 of these right here at $1.89. For both, it's gonna be $2.83. You're not gonna use any coupons, but it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. You'll pay $2.83, and you'll get $2 back, making it just 83 cents for both products. Okay, so the next deal I'm doing is the Ensure. It's buy 2, you get $5 back, and it's $10.99 for each one. I have them right here. So $10.99 buy 2, and I have one of the cookies at $2.69. So for all 3 products, that's $24.67. I have a 5 off of 25 protein CRT. That's gonna come off because I'm within 98% of the amount. I'm going to be using 2 of these $4 coupons for each box of the Ensure. I have no coupons for the cookies. I have a 3 off of 2 Ensure CRT. That's $16 in coupons. I'll be left to pay $8.67, getting $5 back, making it just $3.67. And I don't mind paying for that because I drink these like they're going out of style. That's why I can't lose any weight. Guys, I'm picking up 3 of the Nature Valley products at $1.99. For 3, it's going to be $5.97. I'm going to be using this 50-cent off coupon. There's also a 50-cent digital. I have a 2 off of 5 Nature Valley CRT and a $1 off of breakfast CRT. That's going to bring it down to $1.97 for all 3 boxes. Okay guys, so this is a quick deal for those of you who have Gain coupons. The Gain products is $5.99, spend 30 get 10, or spend 45 get 15. It's not tracking, so you have to get to those amounts. You're going to pick up 4 of the Gain liquid detergent at $5.99. That's $23.96. You're going to use 4 of the $3 Gain coupons. That's going to take $12 off. You'll be left to pay $11.96. You're not going to get anything back, but you're going to repeat the transaction again, and the second time you pay that $11.96, you'll get $15 back, making everything just $8.92 for 8 bottles, okay? But I'm not going to do this deal. I have no Gain coupons. Plus, $8 is a little high for me because I have a lot of Gain, and we have that 5 off of 20 Gain coupon for Dollar General. So I'll make something happen over there. Okay guys, so this is everything I picked up this week. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below. I try to answer everyone's questions. So let me show you my receipt. On one of my accounts, the $3 Garnier did not glitch with the paper coupon, so I paid an extra $3 on that. So this is my receipt. Everything came off as expected. So my Jergens, I used the 4 off of 2 paper coupon. I don't think I included that clip. I picked up the Jergens from last week as well. I used that 4 off of 2, and I had a 5 off of 2 Jergens CRT, and $1.50 came off as well. I also got $2 back on Ibotta for that. Everything came off. My total was 11 cents with taxes, $9.33. This is my other receipt. Everything I have, everything scanned with no problems. One of the $2 Eucerin did not scan. For the face, that did not scan. So this is everything, all my Cetaphil coupons. And this was 66 cents. I forgot my PayPal card at home, so I had to pay cash. So 66 cents, $10.79 with taxes. And this one is the Pantene. I did that by itself. That's that one right there. So again, this is everything I picked up. If you have any questions, ask them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.